Never say die until the bones are rotten. Ball boku no Accra has a folk. And ne de ya November boss ne de toso poly and konon. I think you ne eduno enum. Omotran krabubini mantem to onsa e de frɛ Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko Ukuma Pema apembeba enomo e de yantam so na ball no eba na wie ye no Potoka Semu at the end of the 90 minutes plus the and extra time ref editor so no na just a crowd be Kumasi Asante Kotoko nso etimi aye hasefo ho adwuma hwomati kabako wa bra mu koye mantimi anti and it was a penalty and a crowd be Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya ya abrante friend say Morrison onya ono e connect ball so the to eye atnem na after the game no achitafo bebre na akasa omakasa na mema untie said amanfo kire omadwen the efa days super clash and of course between Kumasi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra has the folk.
Samba, everything around. Say I don't watch it. Never. At the end, support. That's why I keep it in my own. I don't know. What contribution as food? I have to have you. Man, say, next time, who play the back? Yeah, that's what we said. And again, once again, Kotoko. That's actually your superiority over House of Folk. And the other question with we can make it clear. What we need level. So what you say? I said that's what now you're back. I have a House of Folk. In terms of BPL, when it comes to technical, Sito, or your head of leading. So what you say? When it comes to player, there will be just here. It is a show of work. And you so what you say? I know. The guys of Bakuru are flowing. On the side to open away. On the side to open away. On the side to oh, what's really saying? And when because level good afternoon. My friend, how are you? Very good, thank you. Very good. Oh, sorry. I'm Farid. I come from Ghana. Yes, Ghanaian. Kotoko supporter, yes. How was the game to you? Beautiful game. Charlie, everything someday inside. Goals, controversy, excitement, drama. Hey. Is it your first time watching? First time coming to stadium to watch, yes. Yes, at the stadium, yes. How do you see the Ghana players, the Ghana league? It's very good. Honestly, it's underrated. I think maybe the quality final balls are a bit lacking, but I think it adds to the drama and the excitement. There were some good comical moments here and there, but overall, I think it was an excellent match. So the Ghana league is underrated? Very underrated, yes. Wow. Yes. Some of the players of Asante Kotoko that you feel that he played so well today. You know what?
This is a weird one there, but the goalkeeper of Kotoko, I mean, despite the fact that he didn't have much to do, I think he was very assured, very commanding. I think he also set the tone for the Kotoko backline to be able to keep the Hearts of Oak players out. It was a good performance from him. And also the winger, I forgot his name, but that winger who got the penalty. Hey, boss, that guy the boss, wow, that guy the boss.
Thank you very much. Asante Kotoko supporter, and everyone come on, and Asante Kotoko. Then I also want and what do you believe of the House of Oak?
Oh, another many. Now, men no born me how they say. So much we get a better more. I can score now. No, you really dear. I can go to Cabaya more. Mr. Company for somebody here. I'm not told that somebody here. This is a problem. No, I'm not from somebody. And the boss somebody. Obia who say yeah, say somebody Ghanaian. I can be here no black stars. Now on your Ghanaian, you're fat. Yes, no, I'm a tabu. I'm not going to put the measure my end. Now, as for them, the country of myself. Some are not in trouble to work with the community. Really, I'm to my yes, 10 times. Never saw me. I'm so much at for. Don't follow. Yeah, and yet, you are my fabulous. Any size. Fabulous. Size. No size. Revenue. Because revenue more the hey, number it's my somebody who hey. Well, 5 years the baby out. Some can power baby na ka uye se papa ke let you do. So what you say? 5 baby out. I too big class and you ever go back. Go, 5 go wherever. Or man should go say outside. Huh? It's the beer you can say opportunity. It's next time all the chance of help. Eh? Only make just that's what the shape. Or be a new one. It will be no ever pass with you. Say fan, say one maybe you be out there no ever pass with. Manu, they just say Kotoko mobile. Kotoko mobile in there. The quality complain say but now has stress you for them. As stress you one roughly the cap bomb. And son, I got to attend. Okay, so we do the win. I'm going to do it. The whole castle support you. Okay. Last one to come up with any flag. It's only a few. There was an off. One was the last one. One was an off. Last one to present the flag. Last one come up with any flag. No refuse say offside. I said, I'm going to catch her. But this is the kind of coffee. Never heard we play. I don't know what I said. Never heard we play. I don't know what I said. I don't know what I said. Who got to be brand new? What do you comment on that when I make a show? This always said. One more head, Fabio. Okay. Fabio. It's a man in Catholic we play. What team no has to know when they say. Then you must be some to change. To be honest, then you bought to China. Ask him more. Now I say, what will be a thing now? Come on, now. Are they? Both away. But maybe I know. And can you professional player, as a professional player, when you are both, just maybe ask coach to say, crossing part, then you watch over, I don't know. Because when you are both, players near Pushaba, I didn't know so you make a team, I'm a back, no, I'm possible. Omunya na bin, when we play, come on now. Apart from Gosiasma, I look at minimum coach now starting. Well, come on, didn't we be here? It's about to say confidence to our home. So what you say? But it's about now to our confidence. It is a place also for Omo Bonibis. What the number 5 minutes? Already bonus. Us players thinking now, so we come over here. Yeah, that's Senior. Some of the supporters of House of Folk have food. Money. Then I oh, like I said, kudos to Kotoko. They came, they saw the content. No two ways about that. But then, I hope
See, how on earth was Kotoko penalty? No, how was it a penalty? No problem. What is a penalty? But then
It's a penalty, not a penalty.
to me, it was a penalty. It was a penalty.
Okay, one.
Yeah, maybe a short penalty though, but this was not a penalty.
And I'm gonna go.
And no penalty at all. But then, Kotoko took the advantage in the score.
And a penalty.
And a penalty.
Okay.
And a penalty. But it was awarded. What two was said before this match, when the referee was appointed, no, we raised concerns that this referee has not been fair to House of Folk. Since Adam, so long a time, he has not been fair to House of Folk. And we don't want him to officiate this match. Yet GFA turned the deaf ear to this. You know what you understand? How can you tell us, say, this was an offside? A player in between two defenders, chase the ball, clears the ball into the net, and you are telling me, say, it was an offside. How? How do you explain this to me? How do you explain this?
Only the rest of it become quiet.
No, that's what I'm saying. That it wasn't an offside. All right, it is something cooked already in Yakasi. This referee is not favoring House of Folk. He's not helping House of Folk. Whether we score or we don't score, all these fouls are going against House of Folk. We don't know why. About 5 good matches, red card. This all goes. Why? GFA, one man trying to say GFA case. Is this a care you are telling us? Is this a care they are telling us? GFA case. You care what we tell you that this referee is not good for this particular match. Yet you don't listen to us. You control to allow this referee to officiate and bring this one to this thing. Why GFA?
General performance of House of Folk team, no. Who is saying?
You see, House of Folk started on a very calm manner, all right, slow pace. But getting to the latter part, they grew stronger. You see, House of Folk left back, Ransford Mensah, he wasn't good at all. To me, I don't know, he wasn't good. It doesn't take anything from us scoring. House of Folk performance, it doesn't take the fact that we scored a goal. All right, the performance of Folk, no, I'm saying it, but it doesn't take anything from the goal House of Folk scored.
Referee at the Simon.
What is this?
Everyone was saying, what can referee say? Who do you say after the house right back in here? Now referee number 2. Referee number 2 that told. I never got that told, and now I'm a match and Yaji. Also, Mr. Tis agenda away from you, say. Referee need to squad. Yes, I said to you one lady, yes, a fear, and one of the radio stations said, Dr. Christopher Damanya, Kotoko President's manager, on the referee tear squad. Me Pacho, Dr. Christopher Damanya on tear squad. I can't not tear. On the airborne, Opian Robertina set agenda, and the Kotoko President's director. I never call me and said, Kotoko President's director, what to find? Only from our court, no chile. If you never focus on this agenda and said, Kotoko President's director, on the referee tear. And you do fear be a day, and to referee so. The referee will be awarded. Okay, so referee to Kwasia. Last man, 2 last man for any fan more. Only nothing I say. It's your best house of folk for your show more. Didi Dramani, who has a folk training dancer. What's so consumed the best of your own cuckoo? Hey, what's so consumed the I don't want training dancer. I didn't want to more. What's your shame? There be a man. Kazaria the man of Kimaya. Nothing in the money, I'm more Kimaya. What kind of a driver? Driver, and the assistant coach. I didn't know. Mr. Coach, yeah, I interview your unfortunately. Don't you check on that? Coach Macadam, unfortunately, how do you see a match? Unfortunately, Didi Dramani kept Michael say when I'm there before kept. Unfortunately, Coach, be able to say, Coach, be account. Unfortunately, interview. I don't know. How do you see the match? Unfortunately, Didi Dramani kept. Yazali kept. If you go for your show, but I offside. If you turn the man, I'm not going to tell you. Last one, the front. If you so, Asante Kotoko. Come, your friend said, I'm number 5 in the friend said, Asibe. Maybe I'm still tired here. Officer Donzo, so I active. Asibe 1 year 2 goals. It's your best house of folk to follow. Okay. Now be almost set to my agenda for I won't forget before floor. Christopher there, Obi of the agenda, my man, should have been and the coach, unfortunately, it was a good call. That did I didn't make a throw. Open interview. How do you see the match? Unfortunately, and I say, I'm not going to go. I don't know. I'm a journalist, so I'll hide it small. Okay. So far, I won't give me the say. Only I mean who said, "Never witness it." Game, like I say, very good. I'll give maybe a 65 to 70% performance-wise. Over House of Folk, Didi Dramani before so Obebana has 8 minutes swing before say Obebana has 8 minutes swing passes together like how Yehun and Nano and I have Asante Kotoko and now Mutimi and so about home or day about ice game. Interfering me and Nuna about home or day. Dana me who game and they were all determined to win.
Okay, House of Folk are complaining bitterly about officiating. As a journalist, who appreciates you saying,
and I want to put it on record. If you are for Anthony Taylor, if you are for Abia, Mike Oliver, any other coach, referee somewhere Europe, now you have a bomb about sometimes, you to VAR, any other video, assistant, and support you, but still, come with mistakes, baby. Say, any coach is referee somewhere a game. The time be a game. Now, when I'm Moby, nobody now on a young game, it was on a fair ground. Maybe I'll be both referee next year. Demoralize them, and more performance. And never to me say, me make me a market referee 7.5 over 10. Say be a referee performance 7.5 over 10. Me then Jamaica stand say, oh, go out of folk for now. I'm complaining and supporters need to say go now. As a journalist, I'm speaking with fairness. I want to be fair here. Honestly, before say I've done Chaniba cross the ball, I call penalty box. Now strike and it them. And not time training where they a free move. And to train on the kick ball in that. And a captain outside. And not somebody onside. And she supporters with your man channel. How many of your money go? So they be a moment you say, me and Bob referees number 2. So they be on bed to baby. Referee, Daniel Nila, and now the African Cup of Nations. It's
you there, right from a performance 100%.
100%. Or yeah, 1 or 2 mistakes. Let's be after Nunimia Nunina. I mean, to be 100%. But on your second penalty, but the very management of the game. The two baby also manage the game. Emma supporters in it class Nina. And so manage the game. It's between 100%. I'm Kase, my man is 7.5 over 10. That is 75%. And I'm the man. I had it. Or you need power control. But my young Kase Omon yet, no idea one side, and I Ghana football yes. Obi Tipiano no right, Obi on Facebook, social media no right. Ebuna Bama Mane Stadium. And don't say fair. Utima Lusa, Walusi go back to the drawing board and come back stronger next time. Move on return leg of Mercy. Who bet my
performance of two teams, you have officiating and 20. You have a performance, Kotoko, the winner, House of Folk or lose game now. Two teams in performance, who is saying?
Who am I saying? You started game on House of Folk and started game on here. House of Folk now game on almost the Kotoko, one or more. But if I do, they find it after 20 to 22 minutes around. After Kotoko keeper, Mohamed Kamara, and after Wabenya holiday, both feeding cornerstone. Mohamed Kamara, both feeding cornerstone. And you know, Kotoko Saturday, game no more. But second half, I can't last up, I can't be 15 to 17 minutes near the phone. How to focus time back to the game, no more game in the 5 years. We have to focus, and no more Monday morning, a little bit ahead of Asante Kotoko. Make my ask for a ball, Asante Kotoko. We had a partnership between Kevin Osel today and Muhammad Ali, fantastic. How to focus, between the midfield, any striking, any problem. I also coach, it's me. Okay, Kotoko. Samba O'Neill, any Henry Ansu, almost a very good defense. And to make my say, I'm for me in about more, but how to focus performance now a little bit ahead of Asante Kotoko.
Okay, going forward, I did a football at Bema, both coaches, our two teams now.
A football medical, Asante Kotoko coach, coach Abdul Karim Dito. I have football media coach, and say, I was our team working on his midfield, very good. Midfield, Ora Branche, Sonny Don Sune, a branch, Emmanuel Chinumun and Kana, Ora Branche, bit to send 10 1, or a branch of Peter Amidu, Aqua, or a very good, but the finishing, and I wonder why a coach, I bet so many men on team working on that. You have a coach to say Carlo Ancelotti, and the moment you have top coaches because some are over Real Madrid now. The same problem with Vinicius Jr. But you have Vinia now contesting for Ballon d'Or.
because coach it me be here fini ehun aduma eti sana me expect say Kotoko coach no ebeti my aya branch friend no Pitami do because our footwork or bibia enti aka ne finish no also otimi ya aduma eti Kotoko coach me meta no ne midfield no eno na work for ba omu yusu ya omu di win fia Kotoko eti midfield no on work wo na face strike no se Kwampoku ni wa Kotoko goals no Kwampoku no eti abeta mu aso no maton no enti goals no emma biem enti also Kotoko timi working on that 1-1 goal no dey M1 to me advice me say omu timi working omu timi share more goals on the side of Didi Dramani no make me say about building a good defensive structure the man has recent in a house and starting so mu and consider goals nanka has in consider goals ta omu midfield no fantastic omu bobo but ani mu ho no me nche da hu Martin Kakari edu ba bia ni decision making and in the final decision no aya na e form kaka o say coach team ne kata and afenso so no Hamza eno ne other players no also mu team yakene ka wa for the coach no and so working on the striking no e ma has to folk no mu to goals team mra na has to nya consistent because who person o di league who person o ye top e Ghana any Africa you need a consistency if you are put am the bema coach so say you need a consistency in how to folk and so on.
Okay, me no be that far. Okay, nti I know you some training and you know about coming after the game obia and so ejejina has for no complaining bitterly about officiating omo hu say ankoye amfa amom he didn't allow the game to flow. That was my problem. The whistle blowing was too much. Nana Kwakudia and no I watched the game also I watched TV and the whistle went before the house player kicked the ball into the net. And I also Damprane and the Dominic Viero G General as the say Dada and no more for comment and then camp amount and to be able free from them now me part of called Brighto media BRYTO our YouTuber the videos out of bebre ekoguo the videos bebre ekoguo ko to see Brighto media no so ko na bibia eti enko kama and so anom me enjoy any video yi
anything make us say o tintina dem dey say referee no the players no and what say dey omu pejo mu omu ni so na me play hard ball no say omu nya dey bia so omu ye ema players omu nya dey say omu ye ema players media I don't want to talk but me say omu nya dey say omu ye because you players media they say salary na ema in your pocket that means omu time has to omu nya salary I don't know say the car but me catch the ball they say omu nya dey say omu ye ema players